Okay, the obvious issue that we have here is the rising price of oil. Okay, with the rising price of oil, everything goes with it. Since oil is imported, Guam is importing oil, and the GPA to generate power, they use oil. So in order for us to at least offset a bit or part of it is to use some renewable power source, and the University of Guam is addressing that by using these working models in Triton Farm. This system offsets the power that is being consumed by the aquaponics setup that we have here in Triton Farm.
Well, the setup we have two systems. We have the solar system and the wind generator system. Our solar system is a grid-tied system that's connected to GPA, and the wind generator system is basically off-grid, or actually it's a standalone system. Actually, right now, our main concern is, since the aquaculture, there's two pumps that are running right now, and each is about 1 horsepower, so that's 2 horsepowers, equivalent to 1,700 watts. And so that's the reason why we made it around 2K watts, is basically eliminating that energy that's needed to power the pumps.
The 1 kilowatt wind turbine is a DC generator that produces DC power, and we convert it to AC. Same thing with the solar power. It provides or creates DC power, and then we convert it to AC. The difference between the two systems is that the wind turbine or the wind power system is a standalone system. It means it has a battery storage, whereas the solar power system that we have here is a grid-tied system.
The wind generator right now, since it's off-grid or it's standalone, we're planning on connecting lights for the tilapia farm.
Okay. The solar power system, what it does is it provides electricity daytime to the aquaponics farm. Okay, so what it does is it produces electricity during the morning, and at night when we don't have the sun, that's when we use the power coming from GPA. We have already saved about 2.8 million watt hour of power. So since we have installed it, we have a total of 2,800 kilowatt hours of power produced out of this, and daily that averages to about 2,500 kilowatt hours daily. Now the wind turbine, what it does is it produces electricity whenever there is wind, and we get to have it stored into batteries, and then whatever we have stored energy, that's what we use for whatever purpose that the university sees fit to use for it. It's not only on how much power that we are offsetting or we are saving, but much more how much carbon footprint we are reducing from this system. And currently we have actually reduced a total of 1,500 kilograms of CO2 coming from the renewable power source that we have installed here in Triton Farm.
We're expecting to save at least 20% of the bill from the Guam Power Authority.
We are expecting the wind turbine to produce an average of about 800 kilowatt hours of power every day, and that would translate to about an estimate of 50 kilograms of CO2 saved from the environment.
Well, one, for a fact that solar right now is a more better choice, since that Guam is there's a lot of irradiation or sun that's going through Guam. It's the best right now is because it's one of the reason why that people choose solar or actually we chose solar, is because of the fact that it's less maintenance and it's easier to install. Okay, aside from generator, it's a little harder to install, and it takes a lot of maintenance. Also because we're trying to make our island a way to stay away from fossil fuels and all, and try to make Guam as sustainable as possible. So imagine Guam free of oil, and at the same time helping the environment, not burning fuel to make carbon dioxide into the atmosphere.